Welcome to another video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about a hedge fund that is returning. This is a cryptocurrency hedge fund, so it's kind of unique that A is a cryptocurrency hedge fund, but B, it's unique that it's returning a 250% annual return. That's fabulous. Let's get into it. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you, and you are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, this particular cryptocurrency hedge fund is pretty remarkable, because their overall return has been 25,004%. That was not a typo. This is an article out of the New York Times, and it is an older article. We're digging back into the archives of 2017, December 19th of 2017. So there are hedge funds with blockbuster returns, and then there is the Pantera Bitcoin Fund. Now, the Pantera Fund is one of the first in the world to dedicate itself to virtual currencies and released its returns in a letter sent to investors on Tuesday. The figure for the life, this is the entire life of the fund, which was set up in 2013, is an eye-popping 25,004%. Now, a significant portion of the gains have come from that particular year in 2017, and anybody who knows their Bitcoin history realizes that December 19, 2017 was days before Bitcoin hit its most recent, and I should say most recent, today is September 7th, 2019, so it's almost 2 years later. And as of today, Bitcoin is currently priced around $10,400, $10,600 per Bitcoin. And at the time that this was written, it was days before Bitcoin hit its most recent all-time high of $20,000. And so, while the fund had a spectacular 25,004% return during the life of the fund, right now, of course, that would be down simply because the price of Bitcoin has dropped some. For comparison, and this is comparing one hedge fund to all of the other hedge funds out in the world, for comparison, the top performing hedge fund in the world last year, meaning 2016, returned a whopping 148%, according to Preqin, a hedge fund tracker. Since 2013, the Pantera Bitcoin Fund's compound annual returns have been around 250%. Wow, that's incredible. The Bitcoin Fund did not have too much to get those returns. They didn't have to do much. They just bought Bitcoin and held them as the price went up. Its performance is a reminder of the unprecedented gains that Bitcoin has experienced, with some analysts arguing that Bitcoin's move have been even greater than the movements of Dutch tulip bulb prices back in the 1600s. Pretty spectacular. I hope you get in the Bitcoin game. I think we are on the verge of an even bigger increase. But again, that's my opinion. You have your opinion. And hey, if you want to politely disagree, I would be more than interested in hearing what you have to say. In fact, how can I be of service to you? Just write it down in the comments below, and we'll do everything we can to help be of service to you. In the meantime, I hope you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Thank you for taking a look at this quick video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.